National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County in west central Georgia, southeastern Chattahoochee County in west central Georgia, Stewart County in west central Georgia, Webster County in west central Georgia, Schley County in west central Georgia, western Sumter County in west central Georgia, south central Talbot County in west central Georgia, southwestern Taylor County in west central Georgia, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bobville to Clusetta to near Omaha to near Hawkinsville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lumpkin, Buena Vista, Ellaville, Preston, Richland, Plains, Junction City, Weston, Putnam, Brantley, Seminole, Murray's Crossroads, Florence Marina State Park, Westville, Rupert, Brooklyn, Renfro, Oakland, Zellaby, and Leveretts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The severe